Hi guys, it's me Nix and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a different type of video. I'm going to be reviewing colored contacts. I've never worn colored contacts before, so this is going to be an experience. I'm going to see, what it looks like, experiment a little bit, switch it up a little bit, add a little flavor, a little sauce, a little something. So if this is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on social media at shaniksniks. I'll leave that somewhere on the screen as usual. And if you guys want to see how I did these knotless braids, make sure you check the description box. I'm gonna have a new video linked down below. But instead of me rambling, let's go ahead and jump into this video and try these contacts. Okay, so these contacts are from Iris Beauty. They sent me 3 shades. I've never tried color contacts, guys. I've never even put them on, so shit, I don't even know how this is about to go, to be honest. So we're gonna have to figure it out together. I do wear contacts, but I wear like special ones, like hard lens, so it is a lot different from like this type of contacts. So I don't know, sis, we'll see. I also have a coupon code for these contacts if you're interested. They have a lot of different colors. These were just the colors that I chose, so I'm gonna leave that coupon code right here and also in the description box. So go ahead and follow them on Instagram and check out their website and get you some bum ass contacts. Alright, so the first one I'm gonna try is caramel gray. So it comes with like the contacts, the actual contacts, and like the left and right. I'm so nervous to put these in my eye. Like, what if I look stupid? What if I end up looking stupid? And they also give you a contact case. So what solution am I supposed to use? Like, they didn't send me a solution. I guess you have to have your own solution, like when you're done using them. So let's go. Okay, so I think you can put in your prescription. So, like if you do wear regular contacts, I guess you can put in your prescription so that you could actually see through them, like, as a corrective contact instead of just like, for fashion, like me. I tried to do that, but I have very special eyes. That's what I'm gonna say. I have very special eyes. I had 2 cornea transplants on both eyes a couple years ago, so my eyes just work differently and they could not fit my prescription with these type of contacts, so which is fine. I wonder if I could put my regular contacts over these. That we have to figure out, sis. Okay. So I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror. So it took me a little bit because it fits kind of weird in my eye, but this is what it looks like. And guys, excuse if my makeup is kind of patchy because I was wearing glasses, I was laying in bed. Like, this was a rush phase. Like, I was just trying to hurry up and get out the house because I had somewhere to be early this morning. So it's not my best work. So mind your business. And I just want to show you guys how easy they are to take out. All you have to do is kind of look up, pinch, and that's it. Drop it into your little case. So now we're gonna go on to the next one. I'm gonna do amber brown next. So again, this is the amber brown and this is what it looks like. So this is what the majestic brown looks like. My makeup is trash right now because of having to wipe my eyes all the time. Alright guys, so that is it. I still have any caramel, no, I still have any majestic brown right now. I'm going to try to put my contacts over them. Like I said earlier in the video, my contacts, I have like special type of contacts, and they're like, sorry, checking my group chat. I'm gonna try to put these over these contacts and see how that works. If it works, I will leave that clip in here just in case if there's anyone like me that wears the hard the I think they call it glass type of contacts or whatever, but like the hard ones, not the ones that bend, like they're hard, like you have to wash them like this because they're hard. If you wear those like me, then you know, hopefully it works, so we'll see. I will leave that clip in here. I'll leave that clip in if it does. Bitch, now it's lit because now I can actually see out my eyes. I couldn't see in them contacts before without glasses and stuff, so now I can actually wear it. Oh my god, bitch. This is the end of my review, guys. What I would say about these contacts is they're comfortable. This side is a little bit uncomfortable for me, but I know why. Like I said, I have like I have specialized, like I say. I have a condition called keratoconus, and it makes like the cornea point, like it forms a point, like instead of just being curved like a regular ball, it points out like a football or a rugby ball, like that. So anything on top of it, like, you know, sometimes it's kind of uncomfortable for things to like settle onto my eye. And this side is pointier than this side. This side does not have a point anymore, but this one still does. So this side is just a slight, like I can kind of feel it in this side. This side I can't feel anything, and this side I can just feel it just a little bit because it's not like, it doesn't like lay flat on my eye. But if you don't have that condition, then you would be fine. And again, it still is not a big issue. Like if I really wanted to wear these, I could wear these, but you know, like I could wear them, they're not uncomfortable, but I could kind of tell that I have something in my eye on this side, just slightly, but nothing too bad that's gonna make me not wear them if I want to wear them. So I just feel like I should note that. Also, they're super easy to put in and super easy to take out. So that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Yay! Anyways, that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah!